welcome to another new video. I hope you enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Number 9. Soryo Tomaji Waru Shiki Yoku no Yoro ni. At a high school reunion, Mio Fukatani reunites with a classmate she has not seen in years, Takahide Kuzo. She had always wanted to know more about the kind-hearted boy in high school, but once she realized that Kuzo has become a monk, she believes that any chance of getting to know him romantically is slim. Deciding to drink away her sorrows, she ends up walking home drunk and surprisingly running into Kuzo, who helps her get home. However, once inside, Kuzo's lust for Mio becomes apparent and two share an erotic night of passion. As this steamy romance blossoms between these two unlikely lovers, Mio and Kuzo will undoubtedly spend many nights together in utter ecstasy. Number 8. Scott no Naka Wakeda Monodeshita. Shizuka Kominami is a Psy college student who, despite her bashful demeanor, attends a college mixer. There she meets Ryo Kirishima, a beautiful, confident woman who she quickly befriends. After leaving the mixer together, the two spend the night talking and drinking. But when an inebriated Shizuka ends up at Ryo's apartment, one thing leads to another, and she finds herself being seduced by her new friend. And what's more, Ryo is actually a cross-dressing man. After a passion-filled night, Shizuka awakens to a note left by Ryo, promising more erotic moments between them later. How will Shizuka's newfound relationship with Ryo unfold?
Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
Number 7. Sudengo Capsule Hotel de Joshi ni Binetsu Sutawaru Yoru. Minori, an office worker, and her boss Hadano, who are constantly arguing with each other. One night after a company drinking party, Minori and Hadano are having their usual argument. When Minori realizes that she had missed the last train, they decide to spend the night at the nearby capsule hotel. But an incident forces them to share the same unit.
Blind devotion, empty notion. Like a roaring ocean, slow and warm.
Number 6. Amai Chobatsu Watashi wa Kansu Senyo Pet. Framed and sent to Kokuyoku prison for embezzlement, Hina Sao Tome desperately wants to prove her innocence. However, just when she thought her situation couldn't get any worse, she realizes that she is the only woman in a prison populated by men. But she may have even more to fear from Aki Myojin, a handsome and stern warden who is intent on punishing her for unknown reason. Although the warden's treatment is unconventional, Hina's body soon begins to long for Aki's particular brand of discipline.
The smoke lingers after fire.
Number 5. 25 no Joshi Kose. Once most students are done with high school, they leave and never come back. However, at 25 years old, Hana Natori finds herself in the role of a student once more at her aunt's request. Since Hana's cousin Kaho Miyoshi refuses to go to school, her aunt begs Hana to take Kaho's place since the two of them are practically identical. But as luck would have it, she is recognized by Okito Kanie, an old classmate from her days in high school, who is now a teacher. With her cover blown, Hana assumes Kanye will expose her secret, but when he suddenly kisses her, she soon learns he has other ideas. Number 4. Omiai Aitewa Oshigo Suyoki na Mondaiji. Teacher Nano Saikawa hasn't given much thought to marriage, but her father's friend wants her to have a marriage interview with his son Soichiro Takamiya. After the interview, they spend the day together as they gradually become more comfortable with one another. Soichiro asks for her hand in marriage. Things quickly heat up between them and two wind up in bed together. However, when she removes his glasses, she discovers he is not Soichiro, he is actually one of her problem students, Souji Kuga. Souji's explanation is watertight. When he realized his brother was to be Nano's intended, Souji posed as him in order to be with her, and what's more, he is even confident that his family will approve of their marriage. However, an illicit relationship with a student is the last thing Nano wants, but will she able to resist his charms, especially when her body begins to ache for his? Number 3. Yubisaki Kara no Honki no Netsuzo Osana Najimi wa Suboshi. Office worker Ryo Fujihashi is trapped inside her apartment, which has set ablaze. The firefighters arrive in time to save her, and one of them happens to be Soma Mizuno, Fujihashi's childhood friend who she had a crush on. As the apartment fire gets put out, an old love gets rekindled. Number 2. Araya-san Oretu Aitsuga Onyade. Souta started to work part-time at Sento, which is his hometown, as a backwasher, ends up washing Aoi, who is his classmate but trying to cover her identity. As he massages her with days of hate from her harassment continues, he realized that Aoi has in love with him one-sided. When he touches her hot skin, she also realized that the one who washes her is Souta, a love comedy between clumsy guy and a girl behind the red curtain. Number 1. Overflow. Kazushi Sudo is a university student who is visited by his two childhood friends, the sister Ayane and Kotone Shirakawa. When Ayane discovers that Kazushi not only forgot to buy her pudding but is also using her special lotion in the bath, she decides to take revenge and join Kazushi in his bath along with Kotone. Will the perverted Kazushi be able to remain indifferent to them both?